Rob, I have a 20-cent coin and a jug of water and an empty glass. I want you to see if you can work out where to place that coin, somewhere here on the table, so that I can't see it. Can you hide it somewhere?
Well, I could try and slide it down the handle, but since there's no opening, that's not going to work.
That won't.
I can't. I have to leave it on the tabletop.
Yes.
Well, what about under the jug? That seems to suggest itself. You
All right,
put the jug on
let's
top.
try that. Put the jug on top, but no, we can still see it quite clearly.
Glass jug, I can see it clearly through there. What about under the glass? No, it's obvious
No, we
there.
can still see it quite clearly there.
Dean, this is defeating me. I don't think there's anywhere I can put it that won't make it visible.
Well, there is somewhere you can place it, and we'll be back a little later to show you just where.
That 20 cents is impossible to hide because this glass is transparent and the glass jug is transparent and the water is transparent. Unless I do something sneaky like that, I don't think it can be done.
Well, that's a good try, but it's really quite easy to hide the coin. All you need to do is to place it in the transparent water, at the bottom of the transparent jug. You can see it quite clearly now,
yes.
But then we'll take the empty glass, turn it upside down, and push that glass of air down into the water. And look at that, the coin disappears.
So it does.
Isn't that amazing? The air inside the glass seems to act like a mirror. Actually, the light coming from down the bottom is being bent twice, from glass to water, water to air. But you can see if I lift the glass up, the coin's still there. It's all a trick of refraction.
Certainly works.
It does.
I want to know